So I was thinking about how we clean stuff, right? Like when you've got a really stubborn stain, you might grab a pressure washer. But what if the mess is inside your drain pipes? That's where hydrojetting comes in, and it's basically like giving your pipes a power wash from the inside. It uses a super high pressure stream of water. We're talking up to 4,000 psi here, folks, to blast away all the gunk, grease, and even tree roots that might be clogging up your pipes. Now, here's where it gets really cool. The hydrojetting system is really high-tech. It uses different nozzles and spray patterns to tackle various types of clogs. You've got your basic forward-facing nozzle for pushing through blockages, but then there are these awesome rotating nozzles that spray in all directions, scouring every inch of the pipe. And get this, there are even nozzles designed to cut through heavy tree roots. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your plumbing, each tool perfectly designed to keep your pipes flowing smoothly. For all your hydrojetting needs, contact John's Rooter today, 530-433-5773.